Okay, we're going to try to record this a second time. The first time we didn't have the camera on, so anyway, it's on now. What we're doing here is trying to make some adjustment to our backpacking stove. And you could call it a camp stove because you're probably going to be camping, not necessarily true. But these are one of these little propane and fueled stoves that sometimes when you get them from the factory, they're not right. Because in a hurry, I know it was manufacturing and it went through, they probably didn't have any quality control. One of the holders here that come out, see how nice that is? Comes out, fold that out so you can put your pot down on there. Well, this one right here wasn't that way. It's stuck up. There's no way I could get that down like the rest of them because that rivet that was smashed down. So instead of trying to drill that out, sticking in a new one, what I did was I got out a Dremel tool with a grinding wheel on it. You try to use a file and it doesn't work very well because you got to remember this is stainless steel. This is hardened stainless steel. I don't know how hard it is, but the Dremel tool took it off real easy, real quick. What I had to do was, see that ridge? Since it wasn't going down like that, hanging up, I had to go ahead and grind off that top portion to make it work, because there's no sense in taking a $15 stove back to the store and driving 20 miles one way to do it. It just economically it just wasn't feasible. So as you can see, this one, when I do it now, I had it, see that shiny part, ground that down a little bit. Take your time, be very easy. There you go. Now everything's going to lay flat. 5-minute fix. That's all that is. It works fine now. There's no problem. So when you get these stoves, most of the time, the igniter's not going to work. Or it may work. They usually work for a while, then they stop. That's not important. Most of the time, as long as it stops the gas, adjusts the gas, works fine. Other than that, no problem. You can start it with ferrocerium rod, or matches, or a lighter. So this is ready to go again. Put it back into service. I hope that tip helps.